Minna no Nihongo N4 Lesson 29 Part 4 Vocabulary 1 Gawa Site Mato gawa no Seki o onegai shimasu. Could you please book a window seat? Second Amidana Overhead rack Sumimasen densha no amidana de kaba no oki wasureta ga doushitara ii desu ka? Excuse me, I forgot my bag on the overhead of the rack in the train. What should I do? Third, hen, around. Kono hen ni supa ga arimasu ka? Is there a supermarket around here? Fourth, jishin, earthquake. Jishin de tatemono ga taoreta. The building collapsed because of earthquake. Fifth, kabe, wall. Kabe ni posuta ga hatterimasu. The poster is stuck on the wall. 6. Hari. Hands of a clock. Tokei no hari wa 3 ji han o sashite imasu. The hands of a clock are showing 3:30. 7th. Sashimasu. To point, indicate. Tanen ni yubi o sasu no ga shitsurei desu. It's not good to point fingers at others. 8. Ekimae, front of the station. Sumimasen. Ekimae de tomete kudasai. Excuse me, could you please stop the car before the station? 9th. Taoremasu, fall down. Suyoi kaze de kii ga taoreta. The tree collapsed because of strong winds. Grammar point 5. Arimashita. Example. Kaban ga arimashita. This arimashita means the speaker has just found the bag. It does not mean a bag used to be here before. Grammar point 6. Doka de dokoka ni. The particle a or o after dokoka or nanika can be omitted, but the particle de or ni cannot be omitted. Example. Dokoka de Saifu otoshite shimaimashita. I have dropped my wallet somewhere. Example. Dokoka ni denwa ga arimasu ka? Is there a telephone somewhere around here?